Yeah, everyone saw this photo. We could show a photo of me with Austin Cindric at an Omega.
A message from my heart. I am floating back to the place where I feel. So
There I am. Like there's nothing on today or tomorrow.
and it's here to steal. We are climbing single-handed. We are walking through these walls.
Well, what's our plans for us Comic Con the 10th was for this year?
Left to fall. Baby, you know I've always loved you from the start. I'm sure that my heart will
Harrison Burton turns left.
As if Mello has seen this photo. Mello has already saw the other Harrison Burton photo.
be always and ever with you. There's someone else.
So she has seen the Steph Flick and Michelle photo, Tom Gilliland, the cat photo, Austin Cindric, the Shelley photo, and recently, Justin Haling the Grande photo.
In your room, in a world of mystery. Now something has been granted. Something is so good. Someone will be here tonight. Message understood.
Libby and Key of Paradise Love has seen the Harrison Burton photo before. Luna, wait, she saw that photo with Harrison Burton.
Always and ever with you. Know that my heart will. I don't know what you want from me. All the around.
Yeah, we saw Luna at an Omega this year. I'm pretty sure that she declined Nick Salmon with a photo with a Shelley photo. But I can't remember. It could have been Mello.
Something that I know for sure.
Is that Shattered Dreams by Johnny Hates Jazz on Smooth 91.5. Let's go there.
Everything is moving while we are lying still.
And now you've given me nothing but shattered dreams. Feel like I could run away from this empty heart.
Does anyone in the Australian cosplay community know about Johnny Hates Jazz?
Always and ever with you. And when you wake and in your dreams and when you sleep, you
Maybe I was thinking too much. It's all about Mello. But she seen the Harrison Burton photo. And then Luna saw Austin Cindric. What is going on? Now with NASCAR driver overtaking to us Comic Con the 10th Mars. But it's the post-season right now. So that's going to be hard. Even the V8 Sprint car season is over. Just today. Bourbon is your champion for this year's season. You see. Man, I ran out of time.